Welcome everyone to another insightful video where we unlock the secrets of real estate investing, even on a tight budget. Often, people perceive real estate investment as a playground for the wealthy. However, today we'll unravel strategies that make this lucrative venture accessible to everyone. So if you're ready to get a grip on your finances and make your money work smarter, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we delve into the world of affordable real estate investing. Many people think that real estate investing is a field reserved for the wealthy. That's a myth we need to debunk right now. Real estate investing is about purchasing, owning, managing, renting, or selling real estate for profit. It's not just a game for millionaires. It's a viable investment strategy that, with due diligence, can yield significant gains, even for those on a tight budget. Understanding the market is key. It's crucial to research property values, rental rates, and local economic conditions. This will help identify profitable opportunities and avoid costly mistakes. Next, it's essential to know your financial limits. This means having a clear understanding of your current financial situation, your borrowing capacity, and the level of risk you're comfortable taking on. With these basics in mind, you're already on your way to becoming a savvy real estate investor. Remember, it's not about how much money you have, but how creatively you can use it. With the right knowledge and strategies, anyone can become a real estate investor. Have you ever heard of house hacking? It's a creative strategy that can kickstart your real estate investing journey. Essentially, house hacking involves purchasing a multi-unit property, living in one unit, and renting out the others. Imagine owning a duplex, triplex, or even a fourplex, residing in one part of the property and having tenants in the other parts. Now you might be wondering, why would anyone want to do this? Well, the beauty of house hacking lies in its financial benefits. It allows you to live rent-free or at a significantly reduced cost, all while building equity in your property. Plus, the rental income you generate can help cover your mortgage payments and even result in extra cash flow. It's a win-win situation. But remember, like any investment strategy, house hacking requires due diligence. So do your homework and consider all factors before diving in. House hacking can drastically reduce your living costs and generate income at the same time. Now, let's talk about a strategy that requires no credit or capital: real estate wholesaling. This method is akin to being a middleman in the real estate market. It involves contracting a home with a seller and then finding an interested buyer. You're not buying the property yourself. Rather, you're facilitating the transaction between the seller and the eventual buyer. Here's the catch. Your profit comes from the difference between the contract price with the seller and the amount the buyer agrees to pay. It's a strategy that allows for quick returns, especially when you have a good network and strong negotiation skills. But remember, while this approach doesn't require a significant upfront investment, it does require diligence and a keen understanding of the real estate market. It's crucial to ensure the properties you contract will be desirable to potential buyers. Wholesaling can provide quick returns with the right network and negotiation skills. For those who prefer a more passive approach to real estate investing, REITs offer an excellent option. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, are companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating real estate. It's like investing in mutual funds, but for properties. Investing in REITs is a way to have your cake and eat it too. You're able to profit from real estate without needing to own or manage the properties yourself. What's more, you get to enjoy the benefits of diversification, as these trusts usually have a portfolio of properties that span different sectors and locations. But what about the monetary returns? Well, REITs are required by law to distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders annually in the form of dividends. So, you can earn a steady stream of income passively. REITs also offer liquidity. Unlike physical real estate, you can buy and sell shares of REITs on major stock exchanges with ease. REITs allow you to profit from real estate without the need to own or manage properties. Did you know that the government can help you get started in real estate investing? Yes, you heard it right. There are numerous government programs and grants specifically designed to assist first-time homebuyers and investors. These programs are a lifeline for those with limited capital, offering a stepping stone into the world of real estate. For instance, Federal Housing Administration loans, known as FHA loans, allow buyers to put down as little as 3.5% of the purchase price. This is a far cry from the traditional 20% down payment most lenders require. There are also housing grants available through the Department of Housing and Urban Development. These grants can cover a portion of your down payment or closing costs, further easing the initial financial burden. What's more, there are additional programs aimed at veterans, rural residents, and people with low to moderate incomes. So do your research and find out what you qualify for. These programs can significantly reduce the initial financial burden of real estate investing. Let's now explore some creative financing options that can help overcome the barrier of high upfront costs. Seller financing is an innovative method where the seller acts as the bank, providing you with the loan to purchase the property. This can be an attractive option if traditional lenders have turned you down, or if you're looking for a more flexible repayment schedule. Next, consider lease options. This is where you lease a property with the option to buy it later. You can use this strategy to lock in a purchase price today and buy the property when you're financially ready. Lastly, partnering with other investors can be a great way to pool resources and share the financial burden. It's all about finding like-minded individuals who share your vision for real estate investing. With creative financing, you can start investing in real estate even without a huge amount of capital. A strong network can be your most valuable asset in real estate investing. It's not just about who you know, but also about who knows you. Connect with fellow investors, join local real estate groups, find a mentor who's been there, done that. Social media platforms can also be a goldmine for connections. Remember, relationships are a two-way street. Offer value, share your knowledge, and be willing to learn. Your network can provide you with invaluable advice, opportunities, and support. Like any investment, real estate has its risks, but with due diligence, you can mitigate them. Common risks include property damage, market fluctuations, and unexpected expenses. To minimize these risks, always conduct a thorough property inspection before purchasing. Get a professional to assess the property's condition, including potential issues like structural damage or mold. Legal checks are also critical to ensure the property has a clear title. By understanding and managing risks, you can make more confident and informed decisions. We've covered a lot of ground today, from house hacking to REITs to government programs. There's a world of creative strategies out there, making real estate investing within reach for everyone. It's about starting small, doing your homework, and taking that first step. The journey might be challenging, but with these strategies, you're already one step ahead. Remember, like, share, and subscribe for more financial strategies. We'd love to hear your thoughts or questions about real estate investing, so leave us a comment below.